Welcome back, fam. You made it, and that matters. Because this isn't just another stretch. This is how you take your body back. If you woke up stiff, if your hips feel like they've been locked up for days, or if your back is silently screaming, you're in the right place. We're going to open the hips, unlock the glutes, and melt into mobility you didn't know was still inside you. One of these moves will make you feel taller. Another will fire up your core without you even noticing. And the last one, that one may be the missing piece to your posture puzzle. This flow is gentle, powerful, and only 5 minutes. But you'll feel the results all day long. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by unlocking the outer hips, because if you sit too often, this area is probably begging for relief. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh, reach behind your left thigh and gently pull it towards you. Flex your right foot and breathe deep. You'll feel a deep stretch in the right glute and outer hip. I promise this stretch will release chronic tension in your glutes, relieve pressure in your lower back, and set up better mobility for the moves ahead. Beginners, keep your foot on the ground. Advanced stretches, pull the leg closer and relax deeper. Did you know the piriformis muscle right here can pinch your sciatic nerve when it's tight? This stretch helps prevent that. Stay for 5 more seconds and soften everything. Shoulders, jaw, hips. Do you feel this in your knee or hip? If it's the knee, adjust your angle. It should live in the hip. That just opened the right hip. Now let's balance the body. This side might feel tighter or looser. Either way, we train both. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Pull your right leg in gently. Flex the left foot and relax the neck and shoulders. I promise this will even out pelvic tension, restore glute function, and help your spine sit in better alignment. Beginners, a light pull, no tension. Advanced stretches, add tiny rocking motions side to side. This position resets the sacroiliac joint, the joint between your spine and hips most people ignore. Take a slow breath in and out while keeping the stretch deep. Is this side harder to relax into? That tells you exactly where to focus this week. That just balanced your base. Now we move into strength and stretch. Now that we've created space, let's teach your body how to own it. Start kneeling, feet relaxed. Sit your hips down towards your heels. Squeeze your glutes and drive your hips forward. Keep your ribs down and core engaged. You'll feel a stretch in the quads and hip flexors and a squeeze in the glutes. I promise this move will activate your entire hip system, improve posture, and protect your lower back from overload. Beginners, use your hands for balance. Advanced stretches, add a light weight at the chest. Tight hip flexors equal weak glutes. This move trains both to work together. Pause at the top for 5 seconds and squeeze. Feel the burn build. Can you feel your glutes doing the work, not your back? That's key. That just reconnected strength and stretch. Now let's spiral it open. Let's rotate. This move decompresses your hip and activates your spine at the same time. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left knee down, reach your right arm up toward the sky, twisting through the torso. Keep hips low and core tight. You're going to feel a deep stretch in your left hip and activation in the spine. I promise this will open your hips, release spinal tension, and reawaken your full range of movement. Beginners, keep your hand on your knee. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee or reach further behind. This combo of twist and hip stretch is one of the fastest ways to improve posture. Here's a little challenge. Hold the twist, breathe into your belly, stay for 5 more seconds. Can you feel the spine lifting, not collapsing? That's the twist working for you. That just spiraled open your right side. Let's do the same on the left. This is the move that ties strength, mobility, and focus into one smooth flow. Step your left foot forward, right knee down. Reach your left arm up toward the sky and twist. Keep your core connected and breath slow. I promise you, this final twist will release the last bit of tension in your hips and spine, giving you freedom to move and breathe better all day. Beginners, stay upright. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee and deepen the twist. Hold that twist and grow 1 inch taller. Own the posture. 5 more seconds. Do you feel more balanced than when we started? That just completed your hip reset. Let's finish standing strong. We close standing, grounded, and upright. Stand tall and grab your right ankle behind you. Knees together, hips pressing slightly forward, chest lifted, core engaged. You should feel a stretch in the front of the right thigh and hip. And I promise you, this stretch will lengthen tight quads, realign your pelvis, and improve stride, posture, and knee health. Beginners, hold onto a wall. Advanced stretches, add a slight hinge forward. Did you know that sitting shortens your quads and tilts your pelvis? This corrects that. Tuck your tailbone and press the back knee down. What's a stretch without a little challenge? Tuck your tailbone and press the knee back. Hold strong. Can you stand tall without wobbling? That's control. That just stretched your drive muscles. Now let's even it out. Last stretch, last challenge. Let's finish stronger than we started. Grab your left ankle, find your balance. Keep the body tall, hip pressing forward. Breathe into the stretch. I promise this final move will complete your hip release, improve knee alignment, and lock in the flexibility you just built. Can you hold the stretch and stay calm, steady, and focused? Are you taller now than 5 minutes ago? You should be. You just opened, stretched, strengthened, and balanced your hips from every angle. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.